Look at my fuzzy ears. They're pretty and they're glittery. See, look. I got glittery ones too. I want to be like closer though, so I can. Oh my, what the heck? Where'd your eye go? There's my eye. So anyways, I'm sending this to you so you can go home and watch it so that you have something to watch. Don't be doing dirty things to yourself. I'm doing it to you. So you're going to be watching this top. Oopsie. Got lost there for a minute. What end game? Like, legitimately, like, it's just far. You don't want it? I want it, but I'm like, ooh, it's gonna happen in a few years. Great. Like, that's what I feel. It's not gonna happen in a few years. You're gonna be like 45 when it starts to fucking happen. I'll be 45 next year and you're still gonna be 22. Like, you're not gonna be 45 next year. You crazy. You still have 10 years for that. Only 10 years? Well, 35 to 45 is 10 years. That's insane. That's a decade. Yeah, I know, but that's a long time. A lot happens in a year. Can you imagine what could happen in 10? A lot happened in our years, yes. Yes. But, well, more than you would ever expect, ever. In a lifetime. Exactly, in only a year. That was not even...
And the other one's anniversary, or no, it was the 24th was your anniversary with her. Because it's the same one for me and Jada. Now I remember. Your 1 month was our 1 year, right? Holy fuck, did it change in a year? Sorry, it just...
The 25th is
Anyways.
not... The 25th is the day that I met you.
The 25th is the day you met me. Technically, we had conversation before you even moved here.
I meant, like...
I know.
Met you, like...
On
and then I didn't move here. I was just coming here.
Well, yeah. And on Lacey's wall... You were writing all this stuff, and then I came in and said stuff.
August 25th, though. And I have to leave August 20th, 5 days from a year.
That